Alright, anybody interested in doing a Walbro 255 liters per hour fuel pump upgrade on your trucks? Once you take your top off, your assembly out, you're going to have this. What you want to do is just disassemble it all the way down, take off your harness. And this is going to be the fuel cut, your fuel pump basket. And what you're going to need to do, as you can see in the bottom of that, yours is going to look a little different. You got to take a Dremel tool and flatten down the very bottom piece right here, all the way down to the bottom where it's flat. That way you can get your fuel filter up in there. And down here, here's a little knob that right here. There's a little knob that goes right here. You want to go ahead and flatten that out as well. So that way you'll just have your thin layer, your pump, the bottom of your fuel pump can come down. You can go ahead and install your Walbro in there, connect your lines, and then you can put your basket back together. And then you can put it back in the fuel basket, your fuel pump. Fuel tank. Duh. Alright guys, the final assembly, the Walbro 255 install. You got to cut and splice into your power wires. I went black with black. Put your fuel level back on and your screen on the bottom. We should be pumping juice. Get this bad boy back in the truck and see if she cranks. Make sure the clutch is in all the way.